If you're looking for a compact, reliable kit to make splicing tasks smoother, this one's for you. Hey, Garrett here, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the TK-400 Splicers kit from Jonard Tools. Designed to equip professionals with just the essentials in a convenient, accessible package. Let's break down the top standout features. It's a complete three-piece kit. Included is the ES 1964 Electrician scissors, the KN7 Ergonomic Cable Splicing Knife, and a durable H40 leather two-pocket tool pouch, perfectly tailored for storage and portability. The smart wire stripping capability. The scissors feature two built-in skinning notches for 18 to 20 and 22 to 24 gauge wires, streamlining your stripping process without switching tools. Comfortable and efficient cutting. The KN7 knife handles high-strength cables and insulation effortlessly with an ergonomic, non-slip grip designed for comfort and precise control. Rugged and convenient pouch design. The leather pouch not only protects your tools, but also includes a 2-inch wide belt loop, making it easy to carry on the job. Beyond these features, the TK-400 is compact and weighs just around 0.5 pounds, making it ideal for pocket storage or tool belt use. If you're a telecom installer, cable technician, lineman, or even a DIY enthusiast tackling wiring needs, the TK-400 has what you need without the bulk. That's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.